Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can apply gaming mode setting to your Samsung Smart TV. Okay, first of all, as you can see on the table now, I already connect my PS4 to the TV, and if you want to change the gaming mode setting, now press the setting button on your remote control. After that, you need to go to General, and then go to external device manager, select on it, and now you will see this one, gaming mode. Select on it, okay, and this time you on the gaming mode, and this function you can see on the screen here. Optimize your screen to improve performance when using gaming console. Okay, after you already apply the setting, now just press return on your remote control until everything disappears, and now you can enjoy. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can apply the gaming mode setting to your Samsung Smart TV. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.